By default, WebEasy's preview feature goes through Internet Explorer. To change that, we'll go to our Tools tab, click on Options, and under the Programs category, we'll see the preview websites with this program section, and by default this will be highlighted, default web browser, and what that does is it uses Windows default browser, whatever you have set up as your default browser. If Internet Explorer keeps opening up, that means that has been set as default. If you want to get around that without actually changing your default browser in Windows, you can just highlight Run and select it out of the list below. By default, WebEasy only has Internet Explorer in there, so we'll need to add Google Chrome as one of the browsers. And to do that, we'll need to find the location of the actual program. So I find the easiest way to do that is to go to Start, enter a search for chrome.exe. It should be the top choice. Just right click on it, go to Properties, and what we'll need is the location under the General tab. So we'll just left click and highlight. As you can see, this last little bit of the location was cut off, but if you just keep dragging your mouse, it'll highlight it. And then we'll right click and copy, go back over here, click on the browse icon, then we'll paste that address in here. Now this is just a location of the folder, so we'll need to type in the actual location of the file, which is easy, just another /, chrome.exe at the end of that, and let's just give it a name of Chrome. Click OK, and now Chrome is set up as the default browser. Click OK again, and we can preview the site to test that. And up here you'll see that it is already set up as Chrome because that's a Chrome icon. And if you want to later on, you can still choose Internet Explorer out of this list. So if you add other browsers such as Safari or Firefox, it'll show up in this list here, and then you can just choose which one. So click Preview, and now it's opening up in Google Chrome. And that's basically it.